So, another new update, but what's it all about? So this morning I went onto my computer, like I always do every morning, onto my YouTube channel, and I saw Kev, We're the Robots, with a new app update, which was the 1.21.5, and I thought, wow, does that mean we got some new stuff? Anyway, what it said, what's fixed? Fixed certain issues and optimized overall app quality. So I thought, okay, that's good. So that's obviously on my iPhone, and it had already automatically updated. It doesn't usually do that, I have to update it myself, but anyway, it automatically updated it. So I thought, great, hopefully it's sorted out the Mini 5 Pro. There's been some issues with that. So what I've done first, I wanted to check out my RC Pro 2 controller because I think about a week ago when I was watching Marcus in the US, Idaho Quadcopter, fantastic channel, he had an update on his where you could fly the Avata 360, except DJI made a boob and put it on there before, because what Marcus was making the video about is that he couldn't connect his 360 to the RC Pro 2, you know, all these numbers. Anyway, he couldn't connect it. Anyway, apparently that they made a bit of a duff and it was deleted, but because it was actually on the controller itself, you could actually see the 360 on there. Anyway, that's been removed, so don't panic about it. Anyway, I went on to the RC Pro 2 controller. Now the app update on there is still 1.21.2, which is quite an old app really, isn't it? And to be honest, I'm not really happy with this controller, really. I think it's been a bit of a letdown. The amount of money, and I can't even get apps on there. Some of you can, I know, but I can't seem to get apps on there. If they do, they don't work. Anyway, so no update on that. So obviously the Avata 360 is not on that yet. I then checked my RC2 controller because there's been people having issues with that. And what I've noticed recently, to do this and this, it's not automatically connected to your Wi-Fi. Because usually when I turn these on, when I'm down in the basement doing updates, it's automatically fixed. I can remember the RC controller, that you had to make sure that it was on internet connection. And now it looks like you've got to do it with these now. So I had to go in. That one was the worst. I had to keep trying to reconnect that one to the Wi-Fi. Anyway, once I'd done that eventually, and it'd be great to know, you guys, if any of you have noticed that problem. Anyway, once I got connected with the internet, I went on, it's up to date. I even checked the app, and the app was still the 1.214, which is the old one. You know, when we had the app update for the Neo 2, wasn't it, with those modes that were really amazing, weren't they? So then I thought, okay, well, obviously my Fly app is updated, so I checked that with my RCN3 controller. Yep, obviously that's connected to that, but nothing else. I tried a couple of drones, no updates. So what's the app about? Well, what's the update about? Because at the moment there's no point me going out to test fly anything because none of these need an update. So DJI, what's happening? The only other thing I can think of, because when I saw Kev's video, he was 8 hours behind me, and I'm not too sure how America works these days. I think America's behind us, maybe. So today's the 16th, but I'm sure Kev made his on the 15th. Anyway, he was trying out his Mini 2, his Rose. Yeah, no problems. So DJI, what's the point of this app update? Because all it's doing is just for the Fly app, but none of these other things are connected to it. In other words, they're older apps. So I would say, what's the point of updating it? Anyway, unfortunately, with my phone, it updated. I had no choice. So yeah. So sorry guys, not much of a video really, because I was all excited. I was like, oh, we're gonna go take out my Mini 5 Pro. We'll see if it's fixed some problems with the waypoints. there's no point because nothing else has been updated. So, unless there's going to be another update, maybe further today, I don't know. But anyway, I thought I'd put it out there. No panic. I don't really see the point of it myself. But anyway, as always, there's going to be another video coming very sooner because today is Thursday. And I always bring out videos on Thursdays if you didn't know.